Alright, welcome to Mike's Wild World. This is Matthew, and we're going to have a kind of a bushcraft camp out cook-off here with one tank, some split valves, two stoves. He's using the fancy new Bulin stove, and I got this old Walmart closeout right over here. We'll see which one burns up our food first, and stick with us, you're going to enjoy this. We're going to set up this valve. Now this kind of looks like the International Space Station. I'll show you a better shot of it. Kind of goes like that. What we do, we're going to use this larger tank. Oh, just by the way, this one's for propane. You should get you some of these things. And this one is going to screw on like this. And I've got one over here that does the same thing. Uh-oh. These little valves are made by Camping Moon. They're less than $25, and it gives you the ability to put a lantern or a separate burner. You can boil water on one side, cook on the other side. I think it's a really good thing to have. And you can light it up if you want to.
All right.
Go for it. You can't see a flame at all, can you?
No, you can't.
Oh boy. Oh man. We're just out having a good time out today. We thought we'd have a little cook-off here. See if we could come up with something really good.
I forgot my oil.
You can use some ghee.
Ghee?
Yeah,
works for me.
Onions smell good, Matthew.
Yeah, right here I'm just sauteing some onions and garlic, and with a little bit of ghee butter.
Yeah, this is Bulin HL100, I believe it is. One of the best stoves I've ever seen. This is Walmart closeout. I have no idea what it's going to do. Probably going to smoke everything. Where's that ghee at? You got the ghee? There we go.
There you go.
I'm going to put a lot of ghee in mine. This is the difference between design. This is some kind of Chinese knockoff thing that nobody wanted, and I bought it, for like 12 bucks on a closeout, just on a whim, to say, I want a split stove. Let's try one. And you can easily tell the difference between that and a high quality production. This has the best infrared flame I've ever seen on it. Y'all seen this in other videos. So great stove. It's easily controllable, and and it does almost everything well except very small pots will fall down on the burner. That's the only drawback to it that I've seen. And if you do that, I would put a grill, like a little round grill over the top of it, and then sit it right on top of that.
That'd be a good idea.
Let's get some onions in there. That seems awfully hot.
Yeah, yours is really going.
You can't see the flame, guys. I'm just telling you. You're only guessing at this thing because there's just no way to see it in this bright light. All right, Chef. So what you cooking today?
So I brought, I diced some onion and some garlic together, and added a little bit of the ghee butter to that. So we're just going to saute that. Then I bought some stew meat, and I cut that up into a little bit smaller pieces, and I'll add that in there. And then I brought a mix of a few different spices that I'll use to season the entire dish, and it's just salt, pepper, garlic powder, ground thyme, and smoked paprika. So pretty simple ingredients, and I think it'll turn out pretty good.
Very good. It sounds like you could charge for it. I have some grilled chicken strips. These are the kind of things you buy. They're kind of pre-packaged, and they're made for salad toppings or whatever you want to do with them. But I like to cut them up in smaller pieces and flavor them up some, along with some onions and a special sauce I'm going to show you that is just killer, man. I mean, you got to try it. You just got to try it. In case y'all don't know, this is Matthew. I just found him walking up the side of the road. Just a bum. No, this is my son-in-law. He's a great guy.
All right, you can get in the car. Come on.
All right. You don't have to walk anymore. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, I know what it is.
What's that?
Oh, my mushrooms.
Oh, there you go.
Mushrooms. I thought you were going to remind me to get the mushrooms. I didn't tell you about the mushrooms.
No, you didn't.
I may not have packed everything I was supposed to pack. It's very possible.
What do you think you're forgetting?
Well, I'm supposed to wrap it up in a tortilla.
Oh, that's right.
I think they were not in the pack. I think they're in the refrigerator.
Oh no.
Yeah, I think so. We should call them and have them bring it out to us. What do you think?
That's a great idea.
Like that's gonna happen.
I'm turning mine up because
Yes?
I'm trying to get the caramelization a
Yes.
little bit
Yes.
faster.
Yes, I agree.
I'm behind a little bit, so that's better. Just give it a little bit of color.
The only time I used this stove with real success is when I made a gasifier stove, and I put my gas stove down inside my gasifier to control the wind around it. I roasted some coffee beans and made some other stuff like that, and that worked out really, really well. But it's a very poorly made stove, and it's really hard to control the heat on it. We'll see how this works out. All right, that's got to go in here. All right, a little more ghee. You got any more ghee? If you need any more ghee, that's right there.
Oh, why not?
And some mushrooms. I'm going to show you this special sauce. This is maple syrup. Here's it there. And Italian dressing. And who knew it was such a good flavor?
So where do you get these ideas for all the sauces that you come up
Google.
with? Google?
No, it was something I dreamed up one day. And because I like Italian dressing. I don't like the zesty. Don't go with the fat-free. Get the good stuff. Matthew's got the good stuff going on over there.
Yeah, this rice is finally starting to get it. Now this is not plain rice. This is just 90-second rice that you can microwave. I don't think we have the equipment to get the regular rice done in a timely manner. So now finish the rice.
Because believe it or not, it is late in the afternoon and neither of us have had food today. We had coffee, we did not have food. So this will be good.
Makes it taste even better.
That's right. Right, so we're going to go in the plate here. And then we're going to take the special dressing. Just use my plate, actually. And use that as a pan. Put everything together. Onions, mushrooms, chicken, sauce, ghee, a little more Mikey sauce on here. And I'm having to use this since I'm cooking in my plate, which is a Primus plate, and I've had this for years. You've seen it all over the place. It's had fried fish in it, almost everything and anything. I don't generally use it to cook in, but I don't have a problem with it. Are you done?
I do believe so. Yes, sir.
You'll give me a spoonful of that.
All right.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
I just want a flavor of it. So what we're going to have is a taste test here to see how we did with this outdoor cooking challenge.
So I got the lemon basil rice with some spices of salt, pepper, garlic powder, ground thyme, and smoked paprika. And then I chopped up some stew meat and just mixed it all together. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
All right. All right. Well, we'll try Matthew's dish first. And then I'll throw some of this over in this pot for you, if that's okay.
That sounds good.
I'll try not to slurp all over it. Okay?
Drum roll.
Well, it's excellent. It's tender. Rice is well cooked. Flavor is spot on. You do a good job.
Thank you.
I'm going to eat the rest of it.
You're welcome to it.
How about that?
That looks good.
Let me give you a little more. There you go.
All right, thank you. We got the chicken, mushrooms, onions. It's always a great combination.
And special Italian maple flavored thing you do.
Mm-hmm.
They're good?
Very good. Yeah, the sweetness with the maple goes really good with the chicken and the onions. Mm-hmm. We'll have to make this when everybody's over sometime.
That's right. We always eat well in the woods. That's our secret. Light up that old Walmart stove again. We'll wait for the steam. We'll make some coffee.
Sounds good. I might have added a little bit too much as instant coffee, or more than I was supposed to. Making my hair stand up so much. It is.
I guarantee you that was a perfect 3 teaspoonfuls.
Looked like it.
Yeah.
I believe you.
It didn't look too close. No. Alright, so here's my coffee. No, it's not Folgers. It's the other one. Uh-oh. It must be special because it has its own little bag. What do you think? That is called Expedition Joe coffee in a tea bag. So, boom.
Looks good. I don't think I've seen that one in Walmart anywhere before.
This is a special bag that I run across visiting in Georgia in the parks down there, and they sold Expedition Joe. There's like a 10-pack of these in a vacuum sealed bag. And I thought, well, you know, why not? Let's give it a try. It wasn't overly expensive. And when I emptied that bag, I bought some more from Amazon.
So it turned out to be a good buy then.
It was a good buy. It's hot.
It's hot.
It's really hot.
Hot as blue blazes. That's what needed.
You want me to help you with your leftovers?
Mm-hmm. Please. As much as you want.
I won't eat the last part. That'll be yours. I'll sure bet the girls didn't have food this good.
Oh no, they missed out, that's for sure.
I mean, they had to sit down and order it and wait for somebody to bring it to them. So you know that couldn't be good.
No, not at all.
You got your coffee? Is all good?
My coffee's all right
I'll
here.
toast it to you, sir. Thanks for
Thank
being
you.
here. This is Mike from Mike's Wild World, my friend Matthew, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment. It's a wild world, so get out there, and thanks for watching.